Collecting sap, and there's a little bird in this tree. It's chirping away. Looking right at me. Poking something on that tree.
Red Breasted Nuthatch.
What is it?
Red Breasted Nuthatch.
Red Breasted Nuthatch is what that bird is called. Out collecting sap off my trees, and I hear him chirping away. Looks like he's eating bugs. Huh. Isn't that the coolest thing you ever seen? You don't even care I'm standing right here. I'm probably 10 feet from him. He's a little bird. How cool is that? You don't see that every day. Look at him. Cool little bird. Red breasted what?
Nuthatch.
Nuthatch? Huh. Here he goes. He's up in that tree now. Here. There he goes. Alright. Anyways, that was pretty cool. I gotta collect my sap down there in that there tree. It was pretty cool. Hear him chirping away? I love it out here. Anyhow, me and Josh are out collecting sap, and that bird was on that dead tree poking in it. But there's the creek down there. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it? I hope you enjoy this. Alright, I gotta go collect my sap now off of that there tree. That's half gallon there. Alright, peace.